Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious macaroni salad a la Wendy's. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll need to cook 2 cups of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents sticking. Make sure it's completely cooled before moving on. Next, we'll create the creamy, tangy dressing that makes this salad so special. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. For that authentic taste, stir in 1 teaspoon of celery seed. Finally, season your dressing with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. This forms the heart of our macaroni salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your cooled elbow macaroni to the creamy dressing. Then, incorporate 1 finely diced sweet onion and 1 chopped green onion for a fresh bite. Mix everything until the macaroni is evenly coated. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade macaroni salad a la Wendy's is now ready to enjoy. Give it a good stir before serving to ensure the dressing is perfectly distributed. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika for extra color. This classic side dish is perfect for any gathering. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.